Come in, come in, come in. Nope.
Do not
pull your hands behind your back.
I do not touch you.
On July 15th, 2025, Sylvania Township Police responded to a Walmart parking lot near Toledo, Ohio. The call: animals locked in a vehicle on a hot summer afternoon. Officers confirmed the plates, requested a store page, and went to the windows. What they found inside elevated this from a welfare check to a potential felony before anyone had even spoken to the owner. And when they finally did, her own words would help build a case against her.
Thank you.
After running the vehicle's plates, an officer went inside Walmart to have the vehicle's owner paged.
Hi. Are you able to say a name over the PA to have him come here? Do you have a Charles come up here?
Charles.
Attention Walmart shoppers, can I have Charles to the front? Charles to the front.
Thank you. No, he didn't come over. Or she went over the PA system, but
so there's cats in here. Look in that water bowl in this cage, in this crate.
I can't see.
Look in that water bowl.
They're dead?
I think so.
Yeah, I think so too.
Also, that girl's watching everything that we do.
That's fine.
Okay.
So the cat.
Did you get anything back or no?
Charles is all it comes back to out of Alpino.
Okay.
The caller.
Okay, so there's two animal crates in here as well, and one of them has a bunch of kittens in them, and I believe they're deceased. Who does the cats?
You're clear.
Who does the cats? So as the B side come out, start the Humane Society as well.
432, can you start the Humane Society as well?
Eventually, another officer made contact with the driver of the vehicle and owner of the animals inside the store.
That's why I had the but we didn't think that we could do anything about it. That dog been out there over an hour. Because I took over for an associate here, and she's been gone to lunch almost an hour. So he's been in the car for over an hour. That dog.
All right, thank you.
I've been in that car with him.
Okay. With it moving and running?
And sitting without running.
Sure. Okay. So,
All right, well, you can come outside with us then.
yeah. Apparently her brother's in here as well, so.
It's either that or we're taking animals. So either you come out with
you're
it.
not.
All right, good. Well, the dog warden's already out. So it's either that or you come out
You
there.
take my service dog.
Do you have
my
papers?
seizures,
Do you have papers?
And you will be served
Do
with
you have-
warrants.
That's you.
From
but-
a federal warrant.
Do you have papers? Do you have papers showing that it's a service dog? All right.
That car, you will deal with them. No.
Are you refusing?
You break it, you will pay
Are
for
you
it.
refusing to come out?
No, I'm not. I'm going to go get my brother.
No, you come out now or you're refusing?
I'm going to get my brother.
You're refusing, okay. Come in, come in, come in. Nope. Go down.
Do it? You do it?
Go down. Down. Get down on the ground.
do? You go with your
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back now.
Behind your back can be tased.
Put your hands behind your back.
Back can be tased.
Do not.
Put your hands behind your back.
I did not touch you.
Foot stuck. Let go of her.
Do not take my dog.
Put your hands behind your back. Now. Now.
Take my dog.
Now.
Do not take my dog.
Now. Give me your arm. Now.
You touch me.
Right there.
You touch me.
Yeah. Yep.
No. Go one. Go one.
It won't. You're alright, great.
Do not touch my dog.
Where'd my? Lean to the
Do
side.
not touch my dog.
We're going to ask you to leave. We're going to have the police escort you guys out. Not video recording our story, please. I understand. Thank you.
Is this related, I hope?
Yeah. I don't know, I saw and she was attacking Ray.
Yep.
Alright.
I have
Alright,
scissors.
let's go.
You do not touch my dogs.
Can
You good?
Can you put your legs underneath you?
She had you around the neck.
We're gonna
I am fucking hurt. Do not touch my dog.
We're gonna
I
help
have
you out.
scissors and nothing else to do.
Alright.
Relax.
We're gonna help you up. Stand, okay? Is that cool?
You can't record in the store. We're going to ask you to leave.
I saw an officer.
Alright, can you get up or not? Can we help you up or not?
My brother's in here too.
Where's your brother? What's his name?
Tommy.
Tommy? Alright.
Take the air back.
So let's do this. Let's get you up.
I'm moving on.
What did I say over there? I
Okay.
don't even remember what I said over the
Let's
radio.
get you up. Ready?
Oh,
She
I'm
keeps
going
saying
to get
that.
water for my dog and the cats.
Come in. Alright. Put your left leg up.
Can
You,
you
they had to start
go out there in
shooting me.
case brother comes
Put your
back?
left leg up.
Brother's inside.
In case he squirts out the other door.
Yeah.
What does he look like?
I have no idea.
Just go hang out by the. Information. So we'll follow up with Brooke and what's going on with the kid.
Are they arresting?
Yeah, yeah.
No, put my dog back.
Hey, you can go here. Let's go.
I have blood drug out.
Watch out, Grant.
Watch those cuffs. They're gap them. Gap them. Are they gap? She's coming out of this one.
Don't matter. That is not right.
Done. What's your
It's also
birthday?
not right hitting an officer.
I did not hit the officer.
Alright, Don.
Finger space.
Don, what's your birthday?
Finger
Double up.
space.
They had no right taking my animal.
Don.
What card do you want?
You had no right.
Alright. They're here because we called.
You had no right.
Don, what's your birthday?
Have a seat.
No, I'm not.
Alright.
Not until I have to breathe blood. I did not assault her. I did not assault her. I do not have no animal.
No, have a seat. We're not gonna do this out in the
So
parking
you
lot.
are legally detained, and there are
bullshit.
two things that you would
If you can have Matt just get a hold of me, we're going to run these guys over to the vet. 'cause
Perfect.
their kittens are not in great shape.
All right, after we deal with her, we'll just give you a call and get everyone's
Can I get one of
information.
your names? Yes, Brooke. Okay. I'm the founder. Yeah, I'm the founder for Angels. Is it for Angels?
just the officer.
Just the officer.
She got clocked. She got choked. Her head hurts pretty bad. You guys just did a lot last week.
He's lying. My forehead's burning. I think her nail
You got caught
clipped
right
me.
here.
Yeah, I feel something over there. My ring finger is like
Get the fuck
throbbing.
up. We're good now. I just. Alright, it's running over.
Yeah, it's burning. It's like right above my eyebrow. Yep.
Hey, hold up. For what exactly? Because when I turned around, she had you around the neck. So
Stroke, choked. She saw more.
I just remember an arm coming at me this way, and I turned.
yeah. So
and
when
then
I saw the girl was like this. From when I saw, and that's when I jumped in.
And that's when my leg got stuck.
Yeah.
She fell on top of my leg.
So pretty much assaulted by...
Yeah.
No offense, but we like pets more than people, so is the dog out?
Well, the dog's out.
Well, that takes a
I
lot
know.
out for me. Let's get you a flower.
We'll do the charges.
Yeah, we forward.
Track that.
Go.
She's getting transported to Flower. Yeah.
Totally good, thank you.
She's getting transported to Flower. She was choked. So,
Alright.
assault and
Assault, animal cruelty.
animal cruelty. Okay.
I think the animal cruelty is actually going to be a higher charge.
Really?
Yeah.
Annoying.
It's them too.
But assault a police officer is it?
No, I bet, no, the animal cruelty is them too. I'm sure insult was probably like in them three.
Let me look it up.
One is not running, one was running.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. The Fourth Amendment protects citizens from unreasonable search and seizure, but it places no restriction on what officers can observe through the window of a car parked in a public lot. No warrant is required to see what is plainly visible. Inside the crates, officers identified kittens they believed to be deceased. Under Ohio Revised Code 959.131, that is the state's companion, animal cruelty statute, negligent care that results in an animal's death is a felony of the 5th degree on a first offense, not a citation, not a misdemeanor, a felony. When the owner was located inside the store, she volunteered the information that the dog had been in the car for over an hour. Under the Supreme Court's ruling in Berkemer v. McCarty from 1984, pre-arrest statements made in a public place without custodial pressure are fully admissible, and those words went directly into the probable cause calculus. The law was already catching up before she knew it had started. Inside the store, officers asked the subject to come outside voluntarily. She raised a service animal claim, asserting the dog was a trained service animal under federal law. Under the Americans with Disabilities Act, officers are limited to 2 questions. Is the animal required because of a disability? And what task has it been trained to perform? Documentation cannot be demanded, but here is what the ADA does not do. It provides no immunity from Ohio's animal cruelty statute. A service animal left in a dangerously hot vehicle is still an animal subject to Ohio Revised Code 959.131. The claim was legally grounded in one narrow respect and legally irrelevant to the central charge. When the owner then demanded warrants before cooperating, that misreading of officer authority under exigent circumstances would compound her exposure under Ohio Revised Code 2921.3, one obstruction of official business. And the window to resolve this quietly was closing fast. Officers gave a direct, unambiguous order. Come outside now, or you are refusing. The subject attempted to walk away to find her brother instead of complying. Under Ohio Revised Code 2921.31, obstruction of official business includes any act that hampers or impedes an officer during the lawful performance of duty. Attempting to move away from officers who have stated their intent to take you into custody in an active felony investigation satisfies that threshold. What followed was a physical arrest in the interior of a busy retail store. The Supreme Court established in Graham v. Connor from 1989 that any force applied by an officer must be assessed under the objective reasonableness standard, judged from the perspective of a reasonable officer at the exact moment of the decision, not in hindsight. During the struggle, the subject placed Officer Ray in a chokehold. That single act transformed the encounter and added a second felony-eligible charge to what had begun as an animal welfare call. Officer Ray was transported to the hospital by ambulance. The confirmed injuries, choking, and a forehead laceration were corroborated independently by a colleague who witnessed the arm around the officer's neck, and by a civilian bystander with no connection to law enforcement. Under Ohio Revised Code 2903.13, assaulting a law enforcement officer in the performance of duty carries enhanced penalties above standard assault. The physical evidence and 3 independent accounts provide the evidentiary foundation that statute requires. The subject was charged with assault on a law enforcement officer and animal cruelty. The veterinary condition of the animals at time of removal will determine whether the animal cruelty charge carries felony status, and based on what officers observed in that crate, the answer is not favorable. The final criminal case outcome remains unknown at time of analysis. The officers earn a B+. Their response was measured from the first moment. Plates run, voluntary page requested, Humane Society contacted all before a single order was given. The decision to arrest rested on solid probable cause under the totality of circumstances standard from Illinois v. Gates, 1983. Multiple independent factors converged. July heat, a locked vehicle, kittens confirmed deceased, and the owner's spontaneous admission of over an hour unattended. Under Graham v. Connor, the force applied during the arrest was objectively reasonable officers responding to an active choking attack on a colleague in a confined space. With bystanders present, two things hold the grade from an A. First, a third-party voice was actively instructing the subject to resist during the arrest. That individual was not immediately identified or separated, complicating the scene in real time. Second, Miranda advisement was not captured on camera before post-arrest field dialogue. Responses to officer-directed questions after custody was established carry suppression risk, a documentation gap that careful field procedure would have closed. The subject receives a D. The foundation of that grade is not the arrest, it is what was found before officers ever spoke to her. Kittens that appear to have died in a locked vehicle on a July afternoon represent a serious failure of the duty Ohio law imposes on every companion animal owner. Her own admission over an hour unattended confirmed the timeline. The service animal argument, while legally grounded in one narrow respect, did nothing to change the condition of those animals. The obstruction added another charge. Then, the physical assault on Officer Ray, corroborated by 3 independent witnesses, elevated the criminal exposure from misdemeanor adjacent to multi-count felony territory. Post-arrest, her denials directly contradict the on-camera record. There was an opportunity early in this encounter to cooperate, accept responsibility, and let officers do their job with the animals. That opportunity was declined at every stage. The first lesson this case teaches, and it runs through the entire encounter, is that voluntary admissions made before arrest carry full legal weight. The owner acknowledged the animals had been in the car for over an hour while standing in a Walmart talking to a uniformed officer before anyone placed her in custody. Under Berkemer v. McCarty, that statement needed no Miranda warning to be admissible. Whatever defense argument might have existed, it was significantly weakened by those words. Silence at that moment was an option. It was not exercised. There is a second lesson layered into this case, and it concerns the service animal claim. Knowing your rights is valuable. Invoking them incorrectly under pressure tends to create the opposite of the intended effect. The ADA service animal framework is real and enforceable, but it operates in a completely separate legal lane from Ohio animal cruelty law. Asserting one does not extinguish the other. Combining a partially correct legal claim with a refusal to cooperate during an active investigation is not a legal defense. It is a escalation pathway. And the final lesson, one worth holding on to, is about the cost of physical resistance during an arrest. Even an arrest you believe is unjust. The remedy for an unlawful arrest is a motion to suppress, a civil rights claim under the federal civil rights statute, or a jury. None of those remedies require the subject to prevail at the scene. The moment physical force is used against an officer, regardless of the underlying charge, the legal calculus changes entirely. A potential misdemeanor animal case becomes a multi-count felony package. The courtroom is where unjust arrests are challenged. The Walmart parking lot is not. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like us to discuss in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out our second channel, Audit the Court, for more police interaction and courtroom content.